For virtual reality newcomers, the new Gear VR with controller is one of the best options on the market as well as one of the most affordable. If you own the latest Samsung phone, or one released 2 years ago, this headset and controller combo is the best option available. The little controller is certainly the highlight of the show, so let's dig into it. The motion-enabled one matches the dark aesthetic of the new Gear VR, though it also goes nicely with the older model. Powered by two AAA batteries, the small controller features a volume rocker, as well as a circular touchpad and a back and home button duo to mimic what's found on the side of the headset. On its back, there's a single trigger, which is nice to have for the inevitable onslaught of first-person shooters. There are a handful of games that offer controller compatibility and they work in a manner that you'd expect if you've played anything on Google's Daydream headset or even the Nintendo Wii. You can aim the controller around in the virtual reality world to select, shoot or pick up objects. Compared to other experiences, Samsung's controller feels and performs on par.